Everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Come on in, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss an upload. And if you're an oldie, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, guys. So today I'm doing a hair review, and I'm also going to show you guys a few snippets on how I color this hair. There was a lot of issues with the camera. I know in my last two videos just seemed like it was a lot going on, guys, but I'm really, you know, even though things happen, I'm still gonna try to push these videos out. So I apologize in advance, but we're gonna go ahead and produce this video. So just letting y'all this disclaimer out there already so you'll know. But the hair that we'll be using in this video, Smavidahair. I ordered this hair from Amazon. I ordered this, it's a 613 wig. This is an 8-inch wig. It has the 13 by 4, I believe. Well, it doesn't say, but I believe it's, you got the perimeter, and then but you don't have much parting spaces on the side. You really just have this middle part, and that's it. That's one thing I do not like about it, but I didn't know that by looking at the reviews or the description of the wig. I like a little bit more free parting in case I wanted to do like a side part. I really don't have that option. So you really just have to do a middle part. You maybe can push it all back, but that's pretty much it. Like, you don't have the option to do a lot of styling with this wig. So that's one thing I did not like about it. But I will say that I do love this hair. After I colored it, it still has a good bounce, a good flow. It's really, you know, winning me over. But again, I just colored it and straightened it, so it still got some time to really see what it's about. It's not a transparent lace, I will say that, so you definitely have to make sure you are tending to your lace to make sure it's accustomed to your skin tone in your hair or your client's hair. In this video, I did use Kiss products to dye my hair, and the first step, what you'll see is me take the yellow tone out of the wig. If you color 613 hair a lot, then some of you may already do this, but I like to use the purple shampoo, and that helps take away the yellow from the wig to give us that pure, it gets a little gray, but I love that color because it takes the color that I'm trying to dye the wig well. I only found that out by experience and research, but it definitely played a major role in achieving this look. So you will definitely see that in the first step. I saw the video on this color because I had this color in my head, but I kept Googling it. It was like a struggle, but we worked it out, to say the least. I definitely tried to watercolor the top part of my hair, but it didn't work out, so you won't see some of the steps because I actually hand dyed this hair. I got it in my little container. I put a little bit of conditioner in there, and I just painted the wig and I let it sit. I found that that was better for me than the watercolor method because it wasn't taking the pink like I wanted to. It was leaving it still blonde. So I did that so that it could sit and like work its way into the wig, and that's how I was able to get this pink. So definitely, you didn't see it in the video, I didn't include that, but I definitely want to let you guys know that I ended up having to hand paint all of this. Like, all of this is hand. The only thing I did do with the water method again is I did dip my ends again, because as I washed my hair the first time, I had to wash my hair twice because the ends was too dull. Like, they were lighter than this, so I dipped them again in the magenta to get it a little bit darker. So this is how the outcome is. I feel like if I want it a little bit darker, I may include a little bit of purple with the magenta to darken the tips, but for the most part I really like it. It's a cute little ombre-ish, you know, it's different, and I really enjoyed coloring it. It's different. One thing I will say about coloring hair, depending on how you want the outcome to look, you definitely want to be patient with coloring hair, because you have to take your time with this. You have to use your fingers to blend it out, make sure the lines are seamless, like some areas. But this is like this a lot too, because I actually re-dipped this and that. I just thought about it as I'm talking. So it's a learning experience, to say the least. It still looks cute. yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video as you watch it. Again, this hair was purchased from Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. I definitely will say that I will definitely be purchasing another wig from them because I have a few more other colors that I want to try out, and I'm loving how the wig is suiting me so far. They do have other inches. I believe they had another 10, maybe a 12 and a 16, but I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out and see for yourself. But let's go ahead and get to this video so y'all can see the trials and tribulations that I went through. Alright, so this is how the package, well, the hair comes. It comes in a bag that you can store the hair in, and in the bag it is a plastic bag where the wig is, where it's stored with a hairnet. It also included a wig cap, and I like when the wigs come like this because when I'm not wearing the hair, it can be properly stored and keep up the maintenance and upkeep of the hair. But this is what I was telling you guys about why I use the Shimmer Light shampoo, because of the yellow undertone on the wig. And I like to do the Shimmer Light shampoo, which you'll see here, because it helps take all that yellow undertone out. Unfortunately, I did not get a picture of how the wig looked after it was washed, but what I do is I dip it in the Shimmer Light shampoo and it sits for at least 20 minutes. So here's the products I use. I use Kiss Magenta, Kiss Pink Petal, and I use the Adore Pink Blush. The pink petal is what I use for the root, then I blended out to the pink blush, and then the tips were magenta. They weren't as powerful as I probably would have liked them to be, but I feel like I could have achieved it if I did a process again. But for the most part, these are the products I use. For the pink petal, which I did not show on camera, is I hand put that in the container with some conditioner, and I did the roots, and I did the same for each product. But then for the second time when I colored it, I did the water method on the pink blush and the magenta. But as you can see here, I'm just putting the product in the water, and this is the first attempt at the watercolor method, but it did not work because you can see here it didn't take at all on the wig. Like, it barely took. So this is why I decided to do the hand painted method. This is a magenta. I'm just working at it, and you want to make sure all the dye is dissolved into the water. This is when I re-dipped it, and this is how it turned out. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I will say again that we had some few hiccups, but I hope you guys enjoyed it for the most part. If you did and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.